Today I want to show you how you can freeze panes in Excel. Here we have a table that contains a budget. We have the costs listed in column A and the months in row 4. Now the problem we have when we scroll through the Excel sheet without freezing panes is that we lose sight of what cost and month a specific number or cell refers to. For example, here we have the value $48. Right now we don't know what this value refers to. So instead of scrolling up and across to figure out what this number represents, we can make it easier by simply freezing the panes. If we want to freeze column A, which shows the costs, and row 4, which shows the months, we simply select the cell that is located under row 4 and on the right of column A. Then we go to View and simply click Freeze Panes. So now when we scroll to the right, column A, which contains the costs, is fixed. As we scroll down, row 4, which has the months, is fixed. Now we can easily identify what this number refers to. If in any case you freeze the wrong panes, no problem at all. Simply go to View and click Unfreeze Panes. Another way to freeze panes is to go to the tab Window and click on Freeze Panes. Some people get confused about which cell they have to click on in order to freeze certain rows and columns. To better understand the concept, let's look at it the other way around. Click on a random cell, for example this one. Then go to Freeze Panes. The row that freezes is the row directly above the cell, while the column that freezes is the column directly to the left of that cell. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the little alarm bell if you want to get notified of any new videos. Thank you for watching.